Hello guys, welcome to another episode. This is a made in Spain series of Bahco tools. Today I'm gonna show you half-inch deep socket set in foam insert. Now, if some of you haven't watched previous videos in this series, these foam insert I bought from a Finnish local shop with almost on 70% discount. This particular set I just bought for 25 euros. Now these are made in Spain. You cannot find these made in Spain anymore. Nowadays, these are made in China or Taiwan. Here is the part number. Socket sizes are from 10mm to 21mm. Here you can see these are made in Spain. I like this foam insert. It's pretty thick and sturdy. The length of the foam insert is just over 45 cm. The thickness is around 3 cm. Let's take some random socket out. It's 18mm. Bahco logo is stamped. Nice semi-shiny chrome finish. Knurling is not aggressive though. Socket is pretty thick and heavy. If you look into the opening, it's like flank drive of snap-on socket. Let's test the socket on a ratchet. I have got here Stahlwille ratchet. Socket sets onto the ratchet firmly. The socket seems heavy duty. Let's check some other socket. Here we got number 10. It also feels solid even though it's a smaller socket. Half socket is cut through to make it narrow profile, which is nice. Look at the number 12. It looks nice too. I think quality is there. It fits good onto the Stahlwille ratchet. This is number 21, biggest socket of all. Same story, looks nice and heavy. Now let's compare one socket from made in Spain versus made in Taiwan socket. Both are Bahco. Made in Taiwan socket is totally different in appearance and weight. It's more silvery chrome and has no fish logo. Both are flank drive, but look at the wall thickness. Made in Spain sockets walls are thicker and heavier. Look at the anvil side. Made in Spain has way more thick walls, which means it would take more impact. Made in Spain socket is way heavier too. Heavier does not always mean the strongest, but it could be stronger generally if same steel and process used. I like matte chrome finish better than the silvery chrome. Now I have got here made in USA socket too. Yes, some of the Bahco tools are made in USA too. I think they are made by Snap-on or Right Tools. I have reviewed Bahco socket set made by USA and compared them with other Bahco socket made by Taiwan and Spain. I will put the link below in the description if you guys wanna check them out. Now if you look into the USA made socket, it's also heavier and thicker just like made in Spain socket. It is shiny chrome finish just like Snap-on socket. Now let's test them all onto the ratchet. Here I have got Snap-on ratchet. This made in Spain socket has almost zero wobble. Socket fits onto the ratchet firmly. Well, surprisingly, this socket seated firmly too with no wobble. USA made socket fits good too with very minimal wobble. I would say all three socket fits good onto the ratchet. But made in Spain and USA sockets are thicker and heavier and seems better quality in my opinion. But whatever the case, this made in Spain socket set of Bahco is a killer deal. 25 euros is nothing for this high quality socket set in addition with foam insert. What do you guys think about this socket set? Feel free to comment below. Thanks for coming along. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. See See you in another video.